And I love my dad too, because I know my dad will call me after this video and be like, so are you trying to say you don't love me? I love you too, daddy. I love you. I love you. Back to my channel. So send this stuff over to my mom. Okay, did I tell you? I love my mom. I used to always have this notion that guys love their moms more. I think it's me that loves my mom more. I don't know why, but I just really love the woman, you know. She has my time. So today I am going to declutter my closet. I'm going to declutter all of this. Yeah. I'm going to try and declutter the cupboard. So I package everything because my cubby is coming and he has to take them to wherever I'm going to stand it from. Watch me declutter my closet. Let's see. Does this spark joy? Yeah, still does. I'm going to use this gown also like to keep what I want. Then the ones I'm going to send over goes this way. This is 2 gowns goes for my mom. So yeah, she doesn't like snake prints because she believes you know. No. These. I don't know what that girl was thinking. So I went to sew this off. I went to sew like I went to sew this off. I went to sew like outfits at home to wear, and then my sister, this is supposed to be a singlet, and I tried a new tailor that says she sews designs and all that, and I was like, okay, let him just make me a simple tank top. Niggas, people, I don't need to wear this to make you see how it's already knotted. Like, I like this my black top. So now my Gucci scarf. No way, no. This is gifted to me by Gladys, my friend. If you know her, yeah. If you're on my Instagram, you know. So the company sent me this gown. If you're on my Instagram, you should know this gown. If you look at the hand, see, very sheer, cool. But the outfit has gone viral, so I'm sending them back. This I have to still keep it. You know, like evening wear for her. Never wanted. This stuff is still fine, but for the beach, I wait the beach. Do more home videos of me like walking around and stuff. Please don't forget to comment down below. My belt for my green jumpsuit. Yeah, this is the jumpsuit that belt was for. I wear this on her. This is going to hurt. This is going to hurt. Yeah, this is my club gown. I think I'm sending this back to my mom. All these are my trousers. I wear at home. Send this gown to her. This gown to her too. Bitch wear. I'm keeping it. If you also want to see like a fun video of me with testing out all my outfits, you know, you guys should comment down below too. Like, this is a gown. My favorite color is black and orange, so this is a top gown. She likes all this oversized stuff. If you're following Skibby, you should have seen this on Skibby's page. You know? Yeah. Oh, my cabby is here.
Hey.
Come and say hi to my camera.
I've swum and swum.
Belly.
I'm swimming in advance.
Yeah, come and say hi to my people. Say hi to my camera. Come inside now.
Hello. I just crossed the river Nile and here I am. I'm safe. All dried up.
He rained last night, so he's
so
yeah, sorry. But I told you now from the beginning that place was flooded.
This is not flooded. This is more than flooded.
Jesus. Well.
Oh, you, my car did up.
Sorry.
Where the boy?
My son. He said he'll miss his wedding for Arsenal match. Just imagine.
Waiting.
Like, Arsenal match, they like Nigerian government.
Waiting.
We always opposite for that level before we go back. Like say person cause Arsenal, no, I'm not gonna do something about that.
You say blacks in a course.
As in, I don't know, it be like one of all these my you fans that born idiot. Like say, all of the matches, they just cause they say you will never use your leg.
Arsenal is just.
Yeah, I feel like Arsenal is like
so they don't break organized. They don't break our hearts, so we don't get hurt till they break again. So that's not. I know they feel bad whenever they abuse us like that.
But
because our talk just like person we that they kill, we don't die. They can't see the truth and life. It's missing the essence, they don't die.
If na me dey support Arsenal, suppose they take BP drug. On a steady.
If you work.
On a steady.
BP drug, no fit work again. So bad like effect based on that way.
Just pack it. Decluttering, see my face. Like see how I'm sweating. But it's good for the skin to see how my skin is licking, you know. Like when I need to go and edit a clip, like I have a video I was editing before that I'm supposed to post tomorrow, but I'm contemplating posting this. Sorry, on Monday. My video days are Mondays and Thursdays, so I would try and post either this video or the other one I had planned to get. So guys, like whew. And I love my dad too, because I know my dad will call me after this video and be like, "Say, are you trying to say you don't love me? I love you too, daddy. I love you, daddy." We're talking about us now, so I think I'm going to try and put I like football, but I don't talk about football, so I think I'll start talking about football now. So added to the list of things I will post about. I'm posting football. Anyways, guys, see, it's still raining outside. I don't know what's going on, but it's a rainy day. It has been raining since yesterday. Now where they're going to go and pass, because he couldn't use his car to come in. Where they have to go and pass, they'll have to swim with the bags. They have to swim with the bags to where he packed his car. Thank you so much for rocking with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you all, and bye.